So this is me leaving after I failed the MOT. It was a bad day. Bad weather. It started to snow when I was on summer tires. It didn't stick to the ground luckily, so it went out okay. And the MOT wasn't that bad, or the EU-control as we call it in Norway. The points I failed at were both the front brake discs were rusted, it had uneven braking in the rear, one of the control arms in the front were bad, or one of the bushings, and also one of the main bushings in the rear. And a couple of bulbs, light bulbs, but that's just laziness from my part. So with no further ado, let's fix this car. Luckily, So I think I'll just drop the complete rear axle because the axis is bad and I don't have the right tool to press it out where it hangs. So I think we are going there. We are getting there. Now the handbrake cable are off on both sides. The only thing missing now is the brake lines. Loosen them and also the dampers, the rear shocks. Yeah. So brake lines are off. I need to buy the tool to stop the brake line from leaking, but this seems to do the job okay. They always funny to try to get off, so a little bit of WD-40 and some heat. Only dampers left. I didn't record the part where I used the drill to loosen up the rubber, but you get the idea. Going to be good if you have the hammer of Thor, at least the rubber hammer of Thor. I love brake lines, they are the best. Nice. Getting the polyurethane bushes to fit, that was pain. But I got there eventually. Do the same to the other side. Yeah, so I've just refitted the handbrake wire. That is not funny, but I think we are good to go now. So that ain't going nowhere. Get the smallest hammer you have. Preferably you'd have a new one, but not today. Get me off the oil. So now that the car is all fixed up, let's start modifying it. See you in the next one.